how do you go back on the iBooks or Apple Books? Let me show you how it works, how you can navigate around it. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So obviously you can scroll through the pages back and forth, but in order to go back to the all books view, make sure to tap on the screen like that so more options are appearing. And in the top right, we have the X button. So you can click on that and it will close the current book and it will come back to the library or to all of the things which you are like reading here. That is how it works. You might also be in the edit mode where you can see that if you tap on the button in the bottom right corner, you can scroll through the contents and also change the way that it works or looks. So you can change the theme and the text size, the background, font, right? So plenty of different ways and options. So yeah, that is how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. In case of any questions, as I said, let me know about those below in the comments. And of course, there are like different apps which you might switch to if you don't like the built-in books app for your books, right? For example, a lot of people use the Kindle app from Amazon, and you can purchase books there and also read them on the iPad right away. So perhaps if you prefer it this way, then you can at least explore the other apps. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.